In this video, what I have here is a cooler. It's called the TOURIT Explore the World cooler. Check this thing out. I had just got this in and I wanted to kind of do a quick little overview of it and show you exactly what you get with it. So looking over, that's just some information if you want to reach out to the company. This is an insulated cooler tote. And it shows you right here, this is great for camping, beach, picnic. And just looking over the specs, it's 10 inches, 10 and a quarter by 7.5 by 11 inches going that way. And it's cooler times up to 12 hours. It's leak proof on the inside. It's easy to clean. Yeah, so let's just open it up. Number one, you see, you get, you know, the outside if you want to store keys or something down in there. Those are always great. And then right here, you could store your snacks and things down like that. You get mesh pockets right here on the outside like that. You get a handle that snaps together if you want to carry the handle with a shoulder strap, adjustable shoulder strap. How cool is that? So you can, let's just open it up and let's look at the inside and I'll show you. I don't have ice in here, but what I did run in it, I run one of these cooler packs. So this is my own little cooler pack. I've already drank and kind of like, I have me some tuna down in there and some water and a spoon. And I'm pretty much good to go with everything that I need. You get a little zipper compartment up here. This is like a basic cooler for anyone that's just wanting to get out and have a nice little tote cooler. I highly recommend one of these. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the TOURIT Explore the World cooler tote. See you guys in the next video. Woo!